What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make crab dip. So, cheers, and let's cook. I got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and now I'm gonna go into my stand mixer with 8 ounces of cream cheese that I let sit out at room temperature for a while. We're just gonna put on our paddle attachment and beat that cream cheese until it gets nice and soft. That's looking good. So to that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, one cup of shredded white cheddar, half a teaspoon of ground mustard powder, 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and 4 ounces of diced pimentos. We're just going to whip all that together until it all comes together. Got all that mixed together. Now I got 1 pound of lump crab meat. I'm just going to dump that in and gently fold it in. Got that crab nicely incorporated. So now I'm going to go into a 9-inch pie pan. All that in there. Spread that out nice and evenly. That is looking good. So now I'm going to go into my 350 degree oven for about a half an hour. While our dip is baking, I'm going to heat up a pan and toast some panko breadcrumbs that we're going to use for a nice crunchy topping. Just going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter is melted over medium heat. I'm going to add half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Just toss those around in that butter. I'm going to season those with just a little salt. I'm also going to add some fresh parsley. I'm just going to let those toast until they get nice and golden brown. Those look beautiful. I'm just going to turn off that heat, wait for our dip to come out. Got that crab dip out of the oven. It is nice and hot. So now I'm just going to spoon over those breadcrumbs, and then I'm just going to cut up a baguette to serve with it, and we will be ready to eat. We got an awesome crab dip here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.